Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is your girl again, Eve, with this hairdo. Today I'm going to show you how I did all this. Yes, not makeup, just hair. I already done my leave-in treatment, which I normally use, which is Cantu leave-in conditioner. So what I'm going to do is to add some little coconut oil to make it softer. It's already washed, it very clean. So I will do my coconut oil just a little bit and apply all over my hair. This makes my hair so soft. So for the hairstyle that I'm going to do, I'll start by parting this side here like so. So now the next step is to just put my hair into one place at the center, like the rest of the hair. This one will just remain here. So I'll take my gel, normally use this Eco Styler. Then I have my water here. This is my pure water. I'll spray like so. So I will apply that, just a little bit of it on my edges, all round like so. This gel lays my edges so well, so I always prefer this yellow Eco Styler. Yeah, it's yellow inside, yellow. Then I'll slip that down like so. The other side the same, and at the back the same. So for my edges to lay down well, I'm going to secure that with my silk scarf. So what I'm going to do is I will tie that for like 30 minutes or so. Then I'll be back. So now I'm back after 30 minutes and my edges are well laid. See, even at the back. Yes, so now I'm going to take this is what I'm using today. Today I'm using a weave, yeah. It's called Fancy Curls by Darling. Yeah, so it looks like this. It has very nice defined curls, yeah. So first of all, I'm going to untie one of these. There are 3 bundles like this. There's this one, and this one. So I want first to make my own bun so that it can come just here. Yeah, here. So I'll just make it, and the weave is like this. So what I'll do is to make my own bun using this, yeah. They are like 4 in 1. So I'm going to put this together. Yes, so I have my weaving needle here, and this is how I'm going to put them together. You can see that. So I'm going to do that all the way up to this end. So now I'll take it, I've put that all together. Like now it's one, this is the first bundle. So I'm going to place it here at the center, like so. Hope you can see that. I'm forming a band just here. Then here I'll just put some so that it can, okay, you'll understand that as I do it. So I'll still need my needle and the thread, and I will start with this part here. So what I'm doing is that I'm creating a band. And I will do it like a weave all round, yeah, all round. Hope you can see that. So I'll do the same on this other part. Now I'll take my second band. It's here. Yeah, did I mention the color that I'm using? It's 133, not number 2. Today I didn't use black. This is 133. It has some color. So I'm taking the next bundle. And for this bundle, I'm going to use like 2 of them. So like for this particular one, I won't put it all together. I'll do this on my band, here, my natural hair. I'm going to tie this like so, as I pin with pins, these ones. This is what I'm going to use. So as I tie it all round, I'm going to secure with these bobby pins. So I will continue tying because I want my band to be, I don't want it to be so scarce, and again I don't want it to be too much. So I'm going step by step so that you can see everything that I'm doing. So this is how it looks after tying that and securing with bobby pins. I love these curls. They are well defined. So let me continue with this other part. So now I'll come here so for this part, for this area here, I'll do some twist outs. Yeah, just big ones. Yeah, I'll do 2-strand twists. Hope you can see that. So this is what I'm going to do the whole of this area here. And actually my hair is growing. I can see the length. So I have already done my twist outs. They are not so neat because I did it so fast. Yes, so I'm going to put them together. Hope you can see that. Then I'll take my needle. The reason as to why I did this is like I want somewhere I can attach the last bundle like so. So it will be something like, yeah. So let me put that together. So I'm going to take my bundle here, and what I'm going to do is I will attach it to this area here so that I can hide my beautiful forehead. Yes, same thing, putting the strands together. So I've just done that. I'll come here and attach this in here. So first of all, I'm going to use my bobby pins. Yeah, like so. Then come again here, do the same thing. You have to make sure it's well secured so that it won't come out. The same onto this area. Yeah, so guys, this is my final look. You can see that. Oh, I love the curls. They are well defined and they look so natural. Ooh. I love. So I created this bun with the weave. It's my first time doing a weave, so I'm so excited. I always use braids when I'm doing extensions. So this is very nice. I just love it. Ooh. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Love you guys.